This conference will now be recorded.
So today we are going to discuss about okay, fine. So only 7 members. So we'll see today first. Unexpected deliveries or delivery. Unexpected inbound deliveries. And scrap. So you'll see this one. So before going to start this one, see this is cross-docking process. This assumption straight away in standard is not possible. So if you want to go for this one intermediate storage type or interim storage type, where it happens goods receipt and issue at a place. So if you want to go for this, you have to create our G document types, item categories, G item categories in both the systems. Then you can maintain this one. So since we are not going to deep level in MM, so we are not going to see this one. So if you want, you can do like that. Okay. So in real time, if it is possible, you can do it. Or else consider this is the same. This GR area also you have to consider as GI area, and you can do this type of process in the same place here in GR area itself. Okay, that's the one. And someone asking me about the 561 moment type. If it is a 561 moment type, what you have to do? First, you have to dealing between ARP to EWM. That means first you have to deassign your plant to warehouse in enterprise structure, as well as an interface also, whatever is there. So those you have to deassign, and then you complete 561 movement in ERP. So our stocks will update in storage location level, and then I have to assign a plan to your warehouse as well as ARP to EWM again. Then in the second step, you have to go for ISU. Okay, initial stock upload. So ISU upload. While doing ISU upload again, uh, so there is a checkbox which control or prevent to move stock to ERP. Okay, that you have to select it. So in these two steps, you can complete 561 moment type, or else just straight away directly you can do ISU. It will update into ERP also. Okay, that is solution for that. And unexpected deliveries. So what is unexpected deliveries? Sometimes by any reason, if you require to issue stock to the customer before creating sale order and delivery, so you are not creating any delivery in ERP, but based on urgency, based on this requirement, you may require to issue the stock to the customer. So you'll get the information. I mean, warehouse management will get the information. So warehouse management itself, that means CWM staff itself, they can issue stock to the customer by using the same transaction, PRDO transaction. It will update into ERP as well. So it will update in ERP and delivery also. It creates one delivery in ERP as well as it will update everything in ERP also. Okay, so how it works? We'll see it.
Shiva,
So
this is
first
nothing
log.
but our cash sale process.
Yes,
Okay.
it's kind of that. Yep. Usually I won't cover these topics in our course, but this week my project management asked me to do this one. So for their specific. So I feel it is important for everyone. So that's the reason I'm including these topics to us. The simple process, not worry about much. And we need some configurations also. What configurations are required, that I will show you now. So first I will execute it. So unexpected deliveries. If warehouse management requires to issue stock to the customer directly before creating or without creating any document in ERP. Okay, that is the point. Go to the transaction /n /scwm PRDO. So you know that PRDO is for outbound delivery, right? So what we have to do here? Here is the option create. Okay, let's see. Usually here without without shipping and part entitled to dispose also we used to run the process. Okay, so what happens now? So I am not going to maintain here shipping office and party entitled to dispose. Okay, now I'm trying to create this. It will ask you document type. The document type is this one, direct outbound delivery, ODSH. Document type is ODSH and select it. Okay, continue. See, system will throw an error. Shipping office must be maintained in default values. Part entitled to dispose also, right? So if it is a regular process, if you don't maintain these two also, you can run the process. But here, while creating uh, delivery directly, we require to maintain those two. So go it here, maintain shipping office and part entitled to dispose. So this also can send interviews. So in regular process, shipping office and part entitled to dispose are not mandatory as the default values, but for direct deliveries, it is mandatory. Now go to create, select direct outbound delivery, it accepts. Okay, and come here at item level. So what is the product to whom you have to supply? Click on create. Again, it will ask you item type. Again, you have to select direct outbound delivery. Says okay. Go to form view in item level. Product 2903 mat 1. Give here quantity. Okay, and okay, I'll show you errors and I'll update those values. Okay, so I want to give this product and this is the quantity. So who is the customer? Let's see it. I am trying to save this one. So it is asking us the field ship to party is required and stock type also. So these two are mandatory. What are they? One is ship to party. So without ship to party, to whom you have to supply the stock. So we require this one, as well as this is a mandatory field here, that is stock type, because system does not know which stock type it has to pick. Okay, this ship to party. So come to partner. Here business partner is there. Here you have to maintain ship to party. That is the customer number. This is one where you have to maintain in the partner. Next, scroll down. See here. Here is the stock type. Here you have to mention which stock type you are going to issue. So usually we have to issue F2. Okay. Now press enter and save it. So this is the one. ODO, direct outbound delivery created. So you can continue the process without an issue. Okay, here the delivery is there. We can see this delivery of completion of the process. As usual, go to outbound delivery, follow on functions, create warehouse task. Okay, click on create. So it will accept and it is going to GI zone anyway. Okay, and save it. So warehouse order created, it is 73, and go for the confirmation and confirm it. So till now everything is okay, but where we have to see the delivery, where it is appearing, what you have to do, back from here, come to PRDO transaction, go to reference documents, and you can see here the delivery number.
Shiva, when it is going to create delivery, at the time of creation?
The first step only, when you are creating outbound delivery in EWM, so then it creates.
Okay.
And first transaction itself. Okay, now you have to complete PGI for this. Go to outbound delivery. So you can do GA here, but no data is appearing. Then you have to come back, outbound delivery. Okay, complete GA also. So we don't have any issues so far. Finally, we'll check this delivery in ERP. So from here, from reference documents, find out ERP document, go to ERP, transaction VL03N. Number range issues. Okay, this is number range issue in ERP. Usually, what is the people will take care. If number ranges are there, it will update.
Go to SNUM, Shiva. We can maintain.
Okay.
SNUM.
Sorry. SNUM.
SNUM. Take that object.
Is it correct?
Yes. Okay.
So this object.
Correct.
Okay.
Put that object. Go to ranges. Left corner.
Shall use it? Nothing is there.
No, ranges. No, remove space. Okay. Interval. Change it. 18 is there. 18 is not there. Select one of them. Copy to 18. Copy the number range. Maybe it will not accept it. You need to put a separate number range. 9-1 or 8-1 we can say. 8-3, 8-4. From 8-4 we can put.
So this
Yeah.
we can reduce and we'll add, right?
No, 8-4 we'll add 8-4 and 8-4-9-9. Okay. Copy this one. Okay. 18. Put 8-4 first. 8-0. Put 8-4.
Eight four.
Now 8-3 becomes 8-4.
8-4.
Look at the number range 21. That's already there.
It is asking
Is
number
it?
range 18, right?
No, already there. He's saying that already is overlapping. Enter without. Okay.
If we know
Number
the
range?
delivery type, right? Why don't we change the number range of the delivery type?
Not here. Ranges, Shiva. Interval.
Where is 18?
Put 85. Put 85. Add new one. 18.
18.
Put 85. 85. Backspace. Okay. Enter. Oh,
Here it is.
85. 86.
No, it is 18 only.
Okay. Okay. Save. Okay. Now got it. Okay.
Now it is okay.
Oh,
1 second. Yes.
We already have a number, right? The delivery number.
Specify Excel number range.
okay. Go to again SNUM.
Actually, it created with this number 87.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. 80. Same sequence we need to meet. SNUM.
Shiva, do you know the delivery type? Is it LO?
yeah, it is elbow.
Not this one. RVP. Take that our number range, Shiva. Take our
This one only, right?
EW number range.
EW number range is 887.
How many digits? Maybe I think it is 4, 6, 8. 8 digits. 4, 8 digits. Yeah.
It is also 8 digits.
8 digits. Okay. Put external.
Correct.
No.
Shipping conditions.
Shipping condition, loading group, plant. Customer condition 01, 20.
Condition 1, plant this one, storage location 2000. It is correct.
I think shipping point determination is missing for this combination.
Shall I go to proceed?
Proceed.
Yeah.
How come it is missing? It's
Shipping.
running system, right?
So what is our combination, sir?
Storage location combination.
012903. Oh, storage location 2000 is there. Okay.
Shall I go for new entries?
Try.
So for shipping
What is the
condition,
load
there is
0001.
Loading group.
there is another configuration, Shiva. For the picking, this is not here.
Oh,
but
the
let me
picking
try.
determination, I think. Yeah, picking determination.
So this is not required?
No, no.
I don't
So
think
can
it
you go to
is.
that screen? Yeah, can you go to that
Let's-
screen again, sir? Yeah.
Okay. You're asking me to go for this?
No, we went there only. Customizing and enter the above combination of table. But it's a story location combination, shipping conditions, loading group, and plant.
Okay, do this, Shiva. Go to this here.
Sorry, which one?
So shall I cancel this?
Yes.
Okay. SPRO.
Yeah. Search for assigned picking locations. I'm trying to get in there, but it's taking some time. So I'll back out in some time.
Okay.
Here you have a setting that you need to maintain for the storage location to automatically pop up.
Mhm. Okay, this one. Fine. There is no this one. Okay. Shall I go to new entries? Shipping
Yeah.
point 2903. Client also 2903. Shipping condition 01. Store allocation 2000.
Let's see if this works.
I think it works now. But without this one, how it works in regular process?
So right now we are manually entering the storage location, right?
Ah,
When you are at a client, it automatically gets updated. That is the setting, the storage location.
okay. Okay, then go to /NSMQ2. Oh, it changed. Good. Now it's asking loading group. And then I think we require this step.
Yes. So do we know the loading group of the material?
Yeah, 0001 on it.
Okay.
Is there? Maybe it is not maintained in product master. Loading group.
Sales 1 or 2, I guess. Next one, Shiva.
Sales plant.
Try
It's
general sales, general
plant. General plant. The next step.
Okay.
Loading group is 003.
0003. 1 second.
also is maintained.
It's maintained actually.
Condition 01 293 3000. Combination not allowed.
Click on customization. So what is
Condition 01 3 2903 2903. Is there right? Do we require to maintain here also?
No, that is manual setting.
it is asking looking for 2000 storage location.
But here I don't have any location specific. Location specific you already done that picking determination assignment.
Shiva, can you check BP? Maybe there.
PP, customer master.
Yes.
Okay.
Sales area data.
Okay.
Shipping tab can I go to?
Okay. Here it is showing shipping condition 01. Actually, she is loading group. Can you see loading group also here?
Loading group only comes in the middle master, sir, not here.
Only Mountain Master. So here it is maintain shipping condition is 01. So that is there in our configurations.
This is correct. Yeah.
Any other place? Any idea?
I guess you can continue with the other thing. We can research. We
That's
can
fine.
research this.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. Finally, we'll check it and we'll go there. Is this our one? First of all, both the same. Yeah. Okay then. So this shipping condition loading group combination is missing. That we have to check. We'll check it. Then what the configurations are required for this process? Now I'm trying to do the same in by using other warehouse 2212. So configurations are not maintained for this, so that you can see errors and as well as you can rectify it. Okay, create, select document type. So this is the one. Follow. Now come to item level. Go to form view. Whatever information required that you have to maintain. Actually here we don't have any issue. 2212, match 1, quantity 1. So you know all these things. Stock type should be F2. Come to partner. See here. warehouse process type, this one is not maintained. Okay, so where we are, can you guess where we are, in which server? Are we in EWM or ERP?
EWM.
EWM process type will come in the EWM only.
EWM.
To determine warehouse process type, we required a process type for this. Okay. So required for this. This is the document type. I'm going to copy this one. 2212. So this outbound delivery document type is required. Okay. Save it. This is step 1. And again it will throw error. Let's see. Create it. And come to partner. Partner is, it's not taking directly. I required partner. So this is partner for this one. Enter. So we have given all values now. Execute it. Sorry, save it. Now you can see delivery is created. So now we are learning in a descending process. If you don't know all the configurations, then this is the way to identify the configurations and clear this procedure. Okay. As usual, here you can see the delivery number. This is ERP delivery. Fine. We required to complete the process. Outbound delivery, all on functions, warehouse task. I'm trying to create it. It's created. J area and save it. No issues. And let's confirm this as well. Trying to confirm it. Confirm it. Okay. So in EWM, we require to maintain only the step. The document type need to be maintained here. Step 1. Now come to ERP. /NSMQ2. Execute. This is ours. 615. See here, ERP document type cannot be determined. Double click on this. ERP document type cannot be determined. Go to F4 option. Here, this document type for this direct delivery, this document type for this warehouse is not maintained. Then we have to determine this one. You can go to here, and this is the one. If you want, if you know the configurations, you can come to directly to this place also. SPRO IMG You see here logistic executions, logistic execution, warehouse management, outbound delivery process, outbound deliveries. This is the one. Here we are looking for. Okay, you can come to here and this is a warehouse specific, and we have to maintain document type, and what is this? The combination warehouse number, delivery type, and difference delivery type on this one. Okay, this you require to maintain here. So copy it and just change your warehouse number. Save. Okay.
So one
Now
thing,
see it.
Shiva, so if you scroll up, you have triple asterisks there, right? Won't that work for this one?
Sorry, come again.
If you go into the configuration screen again,
Okay.
so I'm just wondering why is it warehouse type? Can't we put an asterisk and will
Yeah,
that
you
not
can,
work?
you can. If you maintain this asterisk, then it will work. It will
Okay,
work for all the warehouses.
got it. Thanks,
That's
Shiva.
what, yeah, that's SAP standard, right? Okay. Now select it, edit, reset status, execute. Sales area cannot be determined. So from here onwards, as usual, these are all SD issues. Plant, AFS, storage location. Should be there. Okay, I think we are able to maintain this SD relevant configurations. Okay, here sales area determination is required. So you know this, right? I think slash NSPRO IMG assignment sales and distribution set up sales area. Here something we have to maintain which is relevant to that. Okay. So don't worry about this. Actually, what is we will take care of this. Okay. So you can ask them. They can do all these configurations, whatever SD level uh, required. So from EWM, we don't have an issue. What happened? Anyway, it will open. Now we'll see the next one. Unexpected goods receipt. Actually, in EWM terminology, it is expected goods receipt. Okay. So whether it is unexpected or expected. Point is, delivery is not created yet. That inbound delivery is not created yet. But stock reached to the warehouse. Okay. So what they have to do? The truck has come and ready for unload as well. So usually they have to inform to inventory team, IM team. They will create delivery. As usual, that passes to our EWM and blah blah things. The remaining process we have to do it. Many reasons here. Number one, maybe ERP in under maintenance. Okay. So IM consultants cannot create delivery, but the stock is ready for unload, or else it is urgent and delivery. I mean, unloading is immediate. Many vehicles are in queue. It requires to unload. So warehouse management also can create a inbound delivery document through EWM. That is also quite possible. For this process, no configurations, nothing is required. Wherever you face issues, those issues always comes to OTC only, not from inbound deliveries or MM point of view. We don't face any issues and nothing is required, just we have to follow the process. Okay, it is in sales area. Sales submission 2903. What is missing in that?
No, so we are checking for 2212, right?
Correct. So if it is so, what is missing? Okay, you can work on this. You can identify this. If you find, please give the message in group as well. That will be useful to other. Okay. So this PRB configurations will continue. Expected goods receipt. So transaction is the same. See, for every process there are separate transactions, but as a consultant level, we are not required to go all these transactions. So go to PRDI. Maintain default values first. So you can continue anyone. 2212 or 2903, whatever you want. Remember, whenever you're creating or processing directly from EWM, party entitled to dispose, shipping office, goods receipt office are mandatory as default values. Okay, that's the one. Same procedure, click on create. Here you have to give the vendor number, VN1 2212. Okay. Receiving office 2212. And here is the item overview. Come to item overview, maintain product 2212 M81 and delivery quantity maybe 10. Right. See, there is a logic. So how you are receiving? First, you have to raise a request, right? So point is already PO is created, but delivery is not created yet. At this point of time, you receive stock. So that's the logic. So without raising PO or without requisition, you won't get material, right? Without any information. So PO is there. First, we have to create PO. Go to ARB, create one purchase order. For 10 units, plan 2212. What is this ROD right here? Save it. So this is PO number. and item 10. Okay, it is delivery quantity, and this is system will take care. Client 2212. Storage location as usual. ROD. If batch is there, batch information you can give. Vendor material number, vendor batch, gross volume, reference doc number. So this is your purchase order number and reference item number, and this is 10. Okay, let's try to save it. External identification document is missing. This is the one, right? Identification.
Divide
I
this
think
header level.
while creating VL31, we will give external identification, right? That maybe we need to enter here. Header level.
So here we have to maintain.
Shipment.
One second.
This one. PO number.
Okay.
Now save.
Yeah, it's created. So this is your inbound delivery number or shipping notification number, which needs to be updated in ERP. I think you can see it now itself. See it here. So it is directly updated in ERP. If you see here, status also distributed. Okay.
It is linked with PO. Can I go to document flow? We purchase order details in the item.
You might have to look up the tables. EKES, I think.
EKS. Huh?
If you have
Let's
the
see
purchase
here.
order, you can look at it here.
Same.
I did not look at that. Confirmations.
It's updated here.
Yeah, updated. Okay.
Okay. Now, so the remaining procedure is as usual. Create warehouse task. Create no issues and confirm it. So it's clear. Now you can see in ERP goods movement is completed. Okay, so we requested some stock from the supplier, but maybe internet issue, maybe server issue, maybe ERP service under maintenance, or maybe without any information, without any information or without any acknowledgement. If you receive stock from the supplier and a business ready to accept to take the stock by that point of time, and if there is no time to update the document in ERP, then you can run this process. Okay, so this is called the unexpected or expected goods receipt. Okay, I hope you understand this. So see here, for this, no configurations we maintained, just we made it. So only for unexpected deliveries, so we require some configurations that we made it. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now we'll go to scrapping procedure. Okay, I'll continue just 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm back. Scrapping. The scrapping, by any reason, if you want to scrap the stock, so how to do it? Maybe that is a damaged stock. So it is already blocked stock. The blocked stock you want to scrap it, or else it is finished goods and ready for sale. But by some time, by seeing the product, it got spoiled, then you can scrap it. Of course, first you can block it, and then you can scrap, or else you can do directly scrapping as well. Okay, this scrapping procedure, if warehouse management is implemented, anyway, any type of warehouse management, then the scrapping process you have to run in warehouse only. If it is EWM, EWM, and if it is WM, the WM. If warehouse management is not implemented, the scrapping procedure you can do in IM level. Okay, how to do this and what are the configurations required for this as well. So as usual, we required one interim storage type for this. We required a warehouse process type for this, and then you can run the process. Okay. Now come to here. Let me show you the process first. The transaction code is the same. /n/scw post. So you can use this transaction. Go to here /n/scw post. Okay, let me go through 2212, and warehouse process type is 4020. This is required. So here it is not maintained yet. So we required one warehouse process type. So what I'm going to do, I would like to go through this warehouse. It accepts because that warehouse process type is configured for this warehouse. Okay, and always come to default values, maintain here a warehouse number and warehouse process type. So 4020 is for scrapping. Go for this, give here the product, some product, execute it. You can see a number of line items where stock is available. Now I'm going to select this one. Okay, it is directly in warehouse. Go to form view, and how many units are got spoiled? Maybe 1 or 2. Okay, select it, and here see, right now the stock type is F2. We are going to scrap this one, that is scrapping S6. Okay, and the stock type will change from finished goods to or available stock to scrap, and this product is in storage type 1 section 1, and in this storage section, and it will go to other storage type, that is scrapping zone. Okay, it moves from here as well. Okay, just enter and save it, create and save. No, enter posting change quantity, so it is already created, that's the reason. Then just save it. So warehouse order number 74, we have to execute this one. 74, using the transaction for execution /n/scw to_conf. By using this transaction, I'm going to execute it. /n/scw to_conf. Come to here, warehouse order number is 74. Execute it. You can see inform you, so it is going to scrapping zone, and stock type will update to S6, that is scrapping. Looks good. Confirm and confirm and save. So warehouse order confirmed, and you can see the stock in the scrapping zone, or you can see this one, and it will update as usual in ERP also. Now come to ERP /nmbe 2903, right? Okay, execute it. So we mentioned this from AFS, correct? Go to here, material movements, You can see today's date 12, and this is the one, 2 units, which is created. Okay. If you want to see this document,
Double click, Shiva.
huh?
Double click.
Double click. You're right. You can see it here. That 2 units are reduced from here, and where you can see the moment type. $344. Set triggering 344 moment type to reduce the stock, to scrap it. Okay, this is the way. And okay, what are the configurations are required for this? Let's see it first. So it is not
Shiva,
the configuration.
Shiva, I
Yeah.
got you. Why 344 triggered? Scrapping is 551. No?
551 is not available in my system. I don't know. Okay, let me. We already copied, I think. Yes, it is copied.
This is transferring block stock to unrestricted.
It's transferring stock. What is this one?
344.
Sorry,
344.
344.
Block to
Okay,
unrestricted.
I think this is not the right one.
Where?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Not relevant.
Somewhere I have seen some
No,
other. Oh, it is
go
updating
to
344
go
only.
to not here. Go to that store location stock.
Story location stop. Oh, you're asking me here itself?
Yeah, there. MMB.
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 Yep. Okay, it's reduced. That's
Now
sure.
go to mobile. Today 344, 325, 411 on DT speed. Three 344 only triggered. It is not triggered as scrapping of movement.
So moment type is not correct, but stock is decreased as usual.
Stock
Updated
moved
for
from block stock to unrestricted. It moved unrestricted to block. It moved to there. If you go back, there you will see. Go back. Here block stock is there. Go to the right side. Here it is moved to block stock. From unrestricted it moved to block stock.
It's not there in block, no?
16 column is there. 16 quantity.
Okay, this one. Okay. Maybe that's what you said, that 551 is, I can't see in my system. It is not there, 551. Yesterday also I checked this. No F4. Let me go to MIGO. So I don't have 551 moment type at all.
No, it is transfer posting. It is not doing consumption posting.
Uh-huh.
Go to MB, otherwise go to MB51 there, slash and MB51. Now check here moment type. Moment type? No. Moment type. Moment type F, take F4. Find moment type. Yeah. Here it should be there. 551 is there. Top.
Where? 543. Yeah, 551 is there. So this is GI scrap.
Now we are scrapping. No? Scrapping from the unrestricted.
Scrapping from warehouse.
Okay. Then
It
it
is
has the
scrapping.
it reduced in the warehouse level stock inventory level also. No?
Yeah, it reduced. Let me show you.
It is not reduced. It is transferred to block stock.
It moved to blocked stock. Okay, 1 second.
Any goods issue need to post it in a WM level. Any TO we confirm the order confirmed. After order confirmation, we need to post PGA something.
Not required. The scrapped means it's scrapped, right? And then why you have to post again? The scrapping itself is posting. Let's see once again one more transaction.
Transfer posting is happening, sir, not scrapping. Actually.
Shiva, your activity type is STCH, maybe stock transfer. The process type level. If I see that the previous order, okay.
Posting is required.
Process type level, you are doing stock transfer. Maybe that is impacting our.
Don't think so. Process type level, nothing is there.
What is the activity we are performing? What is the activity? STCH? This is posting change.
Yeah. So here we have only this one. So one is put away, internal movement, physical inventory, stock removal, put away, replenishment, posting change. It is posting change only, right?
Posting change will happen from stock type to stock type, correct? Not with scrapping.
But it is moving to scrapping zone also.
That because we given the scrapping zone is a bin. Yeah. Process category, what is the process category? 7.
That is
Warehouse
also
process
internal.
category. Posting change.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention earlier, but so now the stock has moved to a bin, right? Then technically it is blocked, and after that, we need to do something in the scrapping zone bin?
Usually we don't do anything in warehouse.
That means the stock is
Because
still
We'll
available then.
move to scrap it. That's it.
we move to scrap bin.
Okay.
Then
Yeah, but the stock is
then
still available, right? If it's in the stock bin, it is still there technically, unless it is taken out. I mean, how
you
did
should
they do it at
consume
your
this.
client? Sure.
Uh-huh.
You should consume the task center.
I mean, in EWM,
Okay.
not ERP.
Storage type 8020.
Nothing is here.
Remove storage type entry. Storage type.
Okay, I'll check it. How to, I think it may require auto physical inventory or physical inventory something to reduce the stock. Maybe. So one more step may be required. I'll check it. I'll come back to you. And right now, till to do this process, what all the configurations are required, that we'll see now. Okay. All right. First, we required where it is. Assign storage type groups, bins, areas. What I'm looking for, master data. Actually, goods receipt. So here in this availability groups, stock types, we required this scrapping stock type, that is 6. Come to here, 2212, 2212. The first step you have to do this one. The scrap stock types are required. Save it.
There
Yeah.
we selected from
Yeah.
block to stock. From F1, F2 also we need to do.
Not required. It will accept.
So always we are scrapping from block to stock type, correct?
Yes. So usually we'll go through like that. All right. See, suppose a warehouse user identifies some stock, so which is not good condition. At first step, he can do only block. So warehouse user cannot do it, to scrap it. Once he block it, and then he informs to that warehouse management, and warehouse management will, at higher level department, that they will scrap it. That's the procedure, right? That's the reason it
Correct.
is saying that always is, yeah.
Okay.
But system will accept to do for scrapping procedure. You are not
Okay.
required to give your F2 again. That's not a problem. Okay. And this is the first one. It is not required. And then we required a storage type. That is the virtual storage type, interim storage type. (8040), not 8020. Now I think 16 remains there. It is not posted yet. And now it reduced. I think you can see that.
But more quantity it is reduced.
Yeah, because yesterday I have run 2 times, one unit and 2 units. So the total one is completed here.
Now 711 posted physical inventory.
Now 711 posted. This is what our expectation, right?
Right.
Okay, good. Fine. This is clear. Shall I run once again? Complete process.
Oh, what is the transaction you run for that? What was the
ADGI /n/SDW /ADGI. So for this, come to here.
You are after TO confirmation, right?
Yeah, after TO confirmation. So here unplanned goods issue is there. Usually how to give storage type your product. Scroll down. The important thing is here GI process. This is for stock correction.
no, Shiva, can you go down? The scrapping is there. No, it's drop down. Yeah. Maybe this.
It is also there. Okay, so we'll go for this. Usually we'll go for the corrections.
Corrections, if you go, it is physical inventory. Scrapping, it should trigger 551.
Let's see. Okay, I'm going to scrap 7 units here. Warehouse address 75 /n /scwm /to underscore conf. This is 75. Confirm and save. It's confirmed. Now at this point of time, if you see,
Can you go to Shiva? Can you go to that warehouse order number? Not
yeah,
here. W.
1 second. See, now it is reduced to 7 units from here. Increased 7 units for blocked. Okay, right. I want to see warehouse order.
Yeah. Not this one. That order of that outbound delivery or warehouse
Outbound
order.
delivery now. Warehouse order.
We
Which
are
warehouse order?
creating in-house delivery.
Internal warehouse. I'm not getting you. Which one you want?
Once
So
we
we
post, the
started a
system will
process
give
from
it an
post.
order, correct?
Yes.
Warehouse order.
Okay. You want to see in monitor?
Monitor, yeah. Yeah, warehouse order, correct.
Hmm? Okay.
Okay.
So now we are going to use the transaction /n /scwm /adgi. This is the one, and this is the product, and GI process. Asking me to pick scrap. So this is partial quantity, is full quantity. Material document 205 created. Now I should reduce by 7.
SMQ2.
Correct. /ysmq2. Refresh it. Now it reduced. Okay. Now see material movements. Yeah, it is 551 created now.
It's 550.
Okay,
Is what is our expectation.
perfect. So after completion of stock moving to scrapping zone, we have to run ADGA as well. Okay, it's kind of physical inventory. Fine then. Okay, now we'll check relevant configurations for this. So stock types were maintained. Now I'm going to create a storage type and just take 2212 this one. The remaining all same. It's like interim storage type. Save it. We know that once storage type is ready, then we have to create storage section if requires. If you don't want, you can go for to create the bin /n/scwm ls01. So this is for 2212 to maintain this, and this is 8040 scrapping zone. Save it. So once this org structure is ready, then you have to maintain warehouse process. SPRO, IMG, extended warehouse management, transport settings, task, define warehouse, process type. So I'm just going to copy from here, scrap. And 2212. Nothing is required. Save it. So these are all the configurations which we required. If you want to run the process for this, yes, let me check. Now this is for, see, now it is accepted. Execute. So how many units you want, that many units you can take. And here you have to change. See, I'm here, I'm changing F2 to F6, S6 directly. Ideally it will not happen. Ideally F2 to block and then scrap. That is the procedure usually. So you have to do like that. Save. Warehouse order 358. Now go to /n/scw to underscore cynf. Three, 5, 8, correct? Yeah, this is the one. Just confirm. No issues. Confirm here. No issues. It's moved to scrap zone. So there is no issue so far, and it is confirmed. Now go to the transaction /n/s3w ADGI. Come to here, storage type is and product 2212 M81. Here in this process grab. Okay, and execute it. Now it is only 2 units. Post. It's posted or not? Oh, this is partial quantity. So full quantity. Now it is created. Actually, partial quantity. See, you may have 100 units here. Business has taken decision only for 50 units for this scrapping. Scrapping in sense reducing from inventory. Then you can go to and J partial quantity and you can do it. Okay. So it will update as usual in ERP and you can check it here. Whatever it is there. FS. SMQ2. You can see it here. So the first movement, the 344, that is for transfer posting, and second movement is for scrapping or reducing inventory by using 551 movement type. Okay. So these are the things which we want to cover today. So that's it for the day. If you want to ask any question, we'll discuss now.
Shiva, I have a rudimentary question. Can you go to your main screen, main menu, where you enter the usernames in EWM?
Use. I don't understand actually. Which one you want?
Like tolerance group, username assignment. No, not SPRO here. The main screen.
Okay, okay. Assignment, right? Okay.
So there I wanted to know, how do you change the warehouse name to which you're assigned to?
See, in some transactions, it won't happen directly. So in that case, what you have to do, go to any monitor transaction. Okay. So here, 3 monitor transactions are there. Of course, many are there. Monitor kind of transactions, 3 are there. So one is /n/SCW.
Inbound, outbound, and monitor. Okay.
Correct. And come to here. And here you can change your warehouse number and come back.
So
okay.
we can't do it directly. That is like a big
Yes,
right?
you cannot do that. Yes, you cannot do directly. So in any transaction, you change it and go to those transactions, that will update there.
Correct.
For sure.
Sure.
And that's it. Okay, then see you in next session. And
Sir,
see
this
some
is
other
Pugal.
topics.
Sir, this is Pugal.
Yeah, Pugal.
Hello. Sir, actually, my
Yep.
customer, after setting, it is not showing EWM, sir. checked many times.